Are you thinking about using Coinbase Wallet for managing your crypto? Before you make a decision, there are 12 things you absolutely need to know. While Coinbase Wallet is a popular choice, it's important to compare it with other wallet options out there. Let's dive right in. First, Coinbase Wallet supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, from Bitcoin to Ethereum and many more. This makes it versatile for anyone looking to store a variety of assets in one place. Unlike some competitors, Coinbase Wallet doesn't require a Coinbase account, giving you more flexibility if you want to stay decentralized. Next thing to know, it's a non-custodial wallet. This means you have full control over your private keys and your assets. You're responsible for backing up your keys, so losing them can mean losing access to your funds forever. It's a bit more hands-on compared to wallets like PayPal or even Robinhood, where they hold the keys for you. The third thing you should keep in mind is its integration with decentralized applications, dApps. Coinbase Wallet offers seamless interaction with a range of decentralized finance services, which is a huge plus for anyone looking to participate in DeFi. This feature is something not all competitors provide with the same ease of use. Moving on to the fourth thing, security. Coinbase Wallet uses secure private key storage, but you're still on your own to ensure your wallet is protected with strong passwords and other security measures. It's a little more on you than if you were using wallets with built-in insurance or recovery services like some other more centralized platforms offer. The fifth thing to be aware of is its user interface. Coinbase Wallet is known for being user-friendly, even for crypto beginners. The interface is clean and easy to navigate compared to other wallets that might feel overwhelming or technical. However, there's a trade-off. While the simplicity is great for beginners, more advanced users might find the lack of customizable features limiting. Next thing, support for NFTs. Coinbase Wallet allows you to manage and view your NFTs directly from the app. This feature has made it a favorite among users active in the NFT space, especially when compared to more basic wallets that don't offer this level of integration. The seventh thing to consider is the fees. While Coinbase Wallet doesn't charge any fees for transactions, you'll still have to pay the standard network fees, gas fees for Ethereum transactions. This can add up, depending on the blockchain you're using. Other wallets might charge lower fees, but might come with additional hidden costs, so be sure to do the math based on your usage. The eighth thing is its backup and recovery process. Coinbase Wallet makes backing up easy with a 12-word recovery phrase. While it's an essential feature, losing this phrase can lock you out of your wallet permanently. This adds a layer of responsibility compared to custodial services where they take care of recovery. The ninth thing, it's available as a mobile app, meaning you can manage your crypto on the go. While that's convenient, it also means your phone's security becomes paramount. Competitors might offer better desktop options, so think about what suits your needs more. The 10th thing you need to know is that Coinbase Wallet is fully decentralized, meaning there's no central authority that controls your wallet or your funds. That's a big plus for privacy-conscious users, but it also means you have to be extra vigilant with security. Next up, customer support. While Coinbase Wallet offers decent customer support, it's not as robust as what you'd get with full-service exchanges like Binance or Kraken. If you need extensive support, you might find other options more helpful. The 12th and final thing to know, Coinbase Wallet is backed by the reputation of Coinbase, one of the most established names in crypto. This gives it credibility, but remember, it's still a decentralized app where you control your funds. That means you don't get the same customer service or guarantees you would with some more centralized platforms. All in all, Coinbase Wallet is a solid option for many users, especially those looking for an easy-to-use wallet that integrates well with decentralized services. However, if you want a better option that might suit your needs even more, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.